Right then children, today we're going to be looking at column subtraction. So here I've got two calculations, a 3-digit subtract a 3-digit and a 4-digit subtract a 4-digit calculation. So looking at number 1, starting with my ones, I'm going to do 2 take away 4. Now I know I can't do that, so that means I'm going to need to exchange from this tens column here. So I'm going to exchange from 5, I need to now take that down to a 4, and the 10 that I've stolen goes to the ones. So now I've got 12, subtract 4, which is 8. Okay, looking at my tens, I've now got 4, take away 6, which again, I'm not going to be able to do. So this time, I'm going to exchange from the hundreds and take away from the 7. That now becomes a 6. And then the one that I've just stolen becomes 14. So 14 subtract 6 is 8 again. And then finally, 6 take away 6 is 0. So the answer to this question is 88. Okay, moving on to number 2. Here, again, I'm starting with my ones, and I'm going to do 1 take away 5, which I know I can't do. So more exchanging is needed here from the tens column. So I'm going to now make that into a 3 and carry the 10 that I've just stolen. So now I've got 11 take away 5, which is 6. And then 3 subtract 9. Again, I can't do that, so I'm going to have to do even more exchanging from the hundreds column this time. So that's going to now become a 7. And in the tens column, we've got 13 take away 9, which is 4. Okay, 7 take away 2 is 5. And finally, in my thousands, 3,000 take away 1,000 is 2,000. So my answer here is 2,546. Okay, here I've got 2 examples for you to try, so you may want to pause the video now. Okay, let's see how you got on then. So, number 1. First of all, in the ones column, we've got 4 take away 8, which we can't do. So we're going to have to exchange from the tens column. So that's now going to become a 2. And then I'm going to carry that 10 that I've stolen to make 14. So 14 subtract 8 is 6. 2 subtract 4. Again, I'm not going to be able to do that. So I'm going to have to exchange from the hundreds, making that now a 7 and making that now 12. So 12 subtract 4 is 8. And then finally, in the hundreds column, I can do 7 take away 6, which is 1. So my answer to number 1 is 186. Okay, looking at question number 2, 4-digit numbers this time. So, starting at the ones, 9 take away 2 is 7. 4 subtract 7, I can't do, so some exchanging is needed here from the hundreds. So that now becomes a 1. I'm going to carry that over. So now I've got 14 take away 7, which is 7 again. Okay, here I've got 100 take away no hundreds is still 100. And then in my thousands column, 6,000 take away 1,000 is 5,000. So your answer here, children, is 5,177.